evening, my dear friends. Nice to meet you all. Okay. എന്നിട്ട് first வந்து my name is എന്നിട്ട് okay உங்களோட name சொல்ல for example அதுல இருக்கிற மாதிரி சொல்ல போனா my name is Subhashini. I am live in Kandy. I am 16 years old. My birthday எனக்கு நான் கண்டியில வசிக்கிறேன். எனக்கு 16 வயசு. My birthday is on March 15th. என்னுடைய பிறந்த நாள் மார்ச் மாதம் 5ஆம் திகதி. I am a student. நான் ஒரு மாணவி. I am a housewife. நான் ஒரு இல்லத்தரசி. My favorite sports is எனக்கு பிடித்த விளையாட்டு cricket. My favorite subject is maths. எனக்கு பிடித்த பாடம் கணிதம். There are 5 people in my family. என்னுடைய குடும்பத்துல 5 அங்கத்தவர்கள் இருக்கிறார்கள். My hobby is என்னுடைய பொழுதுபோக்கு reading books or watching TV. உங்களுக்கு என்ன பொழுதுபோக்கு அதை சொல்லிக்கொள்ளுங்க. My favorite food is biryani or pizza. எனக்கு பிடிச்ச சாப்பாடு இந்த பிரியாணி என்று சொல்லுங்க. My favorite day of the week. ஒரு கிழமையில உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்ச நாள் என்ன என்று சொன்னா my favorite day of the week is Sunday. The most beautiful place in my country is இலங்கையில இருக்கிற மிகவும் அழகான இடம் எதுன்னு சொன்னா அது உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்ச இடம் ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் நுவரேலியா. I would like to be a doctor or engineer. நான் ஒரு டாக்டரா வர விரும்புறேன் ஒரு டீச்சரா வர விரும்புறேன். Okay, is it clear, player? Now I call to do this first introduce.
I can read them.
I can read, teacher.
Who is that?
Mine is Tanadeevan.
Tanadeevan. Okay, Tanadeevan, you can start. நீங்க introduce பண்ணிக்கோங்க உங்களை.
My name is Tanadeevan. I live in Battikalo. I am 20 years old. My birthday is on December 9th. I am a student. My favorite sport is cricket. My favorite subject is maths. There are 5 pupils in my family. My hobby is reading books. My favorite food is pizza. My favorite day of the week is Sunday. The most beautiful place in my country is Colombo.
Okay.
I would like
I would okay.
I would like to be a doctor. I can read and write, speak in English. Thank you. God bless you. Wish
you all the best. Have a nice day.
Teacher.
Very good, Tanadeevan. Very good, pa. Okay, next, Bustra.
Yes, miss.
Okay, you can introduce yourself now.
Hi, good evening, my dear friends. I like to introduce myself. My name is Bushra. I live in Gallolua. I am 14 years old. My birthday is on September 23. I am a student. My favorite sport is badminton. My favorite subject is English. There are 5 people in my family. My hobby is reading books. My favorite food is biryani. My favorite day of the week is Sunday. The most beautiful place in my country, Norelia. I would like to be a doctor. Can I read, write, and speak in English? Thank you. God bless you. Wish you all the best. Have a nice day.
Very good, ma. Excellent. You did a good job. Okay, next, Maladi.
Yes, miss.
Okay, you can introduce yourself now.
My name is Maladi. I live in Akaripattu. I am 35 years old. My birthday is October 1st. I am a housewife. My favorite sport is tennis. My favorite subject is Tamil. There are 7 people in my family. My hobby is reading book. My favorite food is pittu.
Okay.
My favorite day of the week is Friday.
Okay.
The most beautiful place in my country is Arhombai from Pottiville.
Okay.
I would like to be a teacher.
Okay.
Can I read, write, and speak in English? I can read, write, and speak in English. Okay, Miss?
Okay, correct.
Thank you. God bless you. Wish you all the best. Have a nice day.
Really excellent. Your reading is very nice. You speak like native speaker. உங்களோட pronunciation நல்லா இருக்கு.
Thank
நல்லா
you,
read
Miss.
பண்றீங்க.
Thank you, Miss. Thank you.
அரிகம்பை is a tourist place, right?
Yes.
Tourist வந்து போற இடமா அது?
Yes, Miss.
நிறைய ரெஸ்டாரண்ட்ஸ் ஹோட்டல்ஸ் எல்லாம் இருக்கா? பீச்
Yes,
சைட் வர
Miss.
மாதிரியா?
Beach. Oh,
Okay. Thank you. Okay.
okay. Thank you, Miss. Thank you.
Okay. Miss Dharaniya Ayodhyamma?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Dharaniya, then Kasturi, okay?
My name is Dharaniya. I live in